Hello guys, this is the 9th episode of HTML. In this lesson, I want to talk about audio and video in HTML, how to show audio and video in our HTML file. At the first, please subscribe our channel, and in the next, I start the tutorial. Okay guys, I prepared two files. One of them is an MP3 file and another one is MP4 file. This is a video and this is a audio. And the first I wanna insert my audio in my HTML website to client. Client can play my audio and control it. For start, we start with audio tag. And we have a tag source. Use src and type. I give the link of my file. In the previous lesson, I teach you how to use link in HTML, and now you should know this knowledge. Okay, I have log.bergs.bless.mp3. What's the type of my file? It's audio mp3. Okay guys, let's go see the result. Where is my audio? We can't see it. You know what? My internet download manager said if you wanna, you can download an audio file. I wanna use inspect, check my file. Can you see this is my element, but we don't have a view for this. Why? I show you. We should to use an attribute for audio tag, which call it controls. Now, this is my audio. Controls for this and this, they call it controls. Okay, let's play it. Sorry. It's work, but my browser has a problem. Let's download it. It's okay. Okay, I close my internet download manager and we have another attribute for audios which call it autoplay. It's not work. Sorry, it's my idea. Why it's not work for work? You should use another attribute. We call it muted. Okay guys, I read about autoplay and I realized it is an HTML bug. It is sometimes works, but it sometimes not works. We checked it in the WT school. Let's go. Maybe it's working in the WT school, but just for one time, not more. I checked it, and now check it together. Excuse me. I can't pause the video because we wanna see the result live. Can you see? Oh, sorry, it's not. It knows how. It's work, but if I again reload the pages, it's not working again. Just for one time, and my document is working for one time. Carefully, and again I can write my audio with, for example, a class and a class to my source. It's not work, but don't worry. In future, I will teach you how to make an autoplay with JavaScript. This is so professional with JavaScript. Okay, guys, you can use MPEG instead of MP3, but you can use MP3. Both of them are true. Oh, let's check the browser. Not work. You see, autoplay is working now, but I set it's a bug. For the next time, it's not work. It's not about just for my page. It's even about WT school. Okay, guys, let's go for another attribute. We have another attribute, muted. If we use muted, it is mute, and if client play this, can't hear anything. and you should press the mute button to control the volume. Okay, we don't have more attributes for audio. And the next one is video. They are the same, but I think we have another more attribute for video. Again, I add it. I think it's not need to add controls now because I want to show you the result. Source is HTML part 3 MP4 and type is video -mp4. Okay guys, you must see the result. Can you see this is the result, but we don't have any control of in our video. We have to attribute here width. I set it in 200 pixel. I think here we don't need to use pixel, and height 200 pixel. He's 200. Oh guys, let's use pixel. No different. Okay, width 400 and height 400 again. It's our HTML, our video. Now I wanna add the controls attribute. Yes, this is the controls. Division. Each part of your website. Our video inside of with controls, but it's not good to use width and height here. You should use class, but you didn't know CSS. In the future you will learn it. Can you see? This is more beautiful than the first way. Okay, again here we have autoplay option, but in video, oh sorry, it's too fine. It's work for video again just for the first time, but for video if we have muted option, autoplay is work every time you want. It don't have a bug. And we have another option, we call it cover. I don't remember how we use the image cover, but we can go to Devil School and check the attributes. Autoplay muted. Yes. Why here we don't have all the attributes? It's not good. Waiting, please. Okay guys, I found it. Poster. What is do? This is a good attribute. I love it. You can add an image instead of your video poster before your video playing. Let's go see the result. Can you see? This is our video poster, but when I click this, it's like this. Again, this is our video poster, but this is our video. Okay guys, this lesson is finished. I hope everything be good for you. Audio and video are so easy. They are not fear things, but you need to training with them and work with them to learn them carefully. Have a good time and goodbye.